kind of feel too good to be true. I'm like, is this wig $35? Really? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh, we got another winner, y'all. Today I am bringing you guys another wig review. This one is from Mayde Beauty. This is in the style Amari. I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about this wig. I mean, that's what we do on this channel. If you're new here, I do wig reviews. I also do some makeup content and some skincare. If you like stuff like that, consider staying a little while. You know, y'all just be dropping through and not subscribing. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Let's go ahead and get started. Beautiful friends, so I am back putting on this wig, and it was so easy. It was easier than I thought. Let me go ahead and give you some specs, okay? So this is Miss Amari from Mayde Beauty. I'm just gonna read what this little card is saying. Is it a card? What is going on here? So this says it's a refined HD lace frontal wig. It's new and innovative lace shape for the ideal hairline. So they're telling you that they're giving you this new lace frontal effect. They're giving you some parting space. So they're saying that this is the new and innovative lace shape. So I feel like everybody's doing this kind of lace part, but lace frontal effect. So that's what they're giving us here. It says it's a 5-inch lace part. It is wider. It definitely is. Oh, sorry y'all, I forgot to turn the light on. So it says that it's giving you a 5-inch lace part. It said it's a little wider. You're gonna get a little bit of lace in the front. Pre-plucked hairline, HD lace. It says you can curl this wig up to 400 degrees, so it is curl and iron safe. I don't see why you would need to. A cane curl. You get some colors like 1B, and then you're gonna get like some ombre colors like that copper right there, and then this blonde. All right, y'all, so how y'all doing? How y'all doing, girl? I'm busy. I am so busy. I don't know how we busting out these reviews because I'm busy. So first of all, I just want to let y'all know that I've been trying to film this wig all day. I've been a little funky, you know, I get funky sometimes. I think I've just been going a little bit too hard, and I had to remind myself to kind of slow down. You need to do that, okay? I just been going back to back, and I wasn't really feeling it. It's crazy because I've been in the house all day by myself. My husband came home for 2 seconds. He bought me some flowers. I love him. You know, he been trying to make me feel good, and I've been home. I was supposed to knock out a couple videos, but I just didn't feel like it. But I put this wig on, and I got reminded that that's what it takes sometimes. Go take a shower, go put a little bit of makeup on. You don't even need makeup. Go put some lip gloss on, put your eyebrows on. Do what you need to do and make yourself feel better. And I feel so amazing in this wig. So I just had to tell y'all that I feel like I came to life with this wig. This wig was very easy. This wig does not require much. It's very, very beginner friendly. All that I did was go in with my lace tint spray, and I just used it right here. Right here, okay? I didn't put it on the sides. I didn't put it on the sides here at all. This cap is very comfortable. If you want to melt it all the way down, you can. But I feel like that's kind of unnecessary with this wig. I feel like you don't really need to do that. I feel like you will be secure if you just kind of put right here. And even if you don't want to melt it down, this wig is so beginner friendly that I feel like if you put a wig grip on, it's gonna be fine. Like, I was like, really? That's it? Mayde Beauty? That's all I gotta do? I didn't have to melt this lace. This lace was a good color lace. All I did was go in with a little bit of powder in the parting space. I did curve this part just to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. Initially, I was feeling like there were too many tracks right here, but it flows really nice. The texture on this wig feels good. Like, this wig kind of feels too good to be true. I'm like, is this wig $35? Really? This wig is worth it. I'm running my fingers through this wig. I didn't have to put any synthetic spray on this wig. As far as snags, occasional, but I'm running my fingers through it. It feels like a human hair blend wig. I think that people sleep on Mayde Beauty, honestly. I have reviewed a Mayde Beauty wig, a couple Mayde Beauty wigs. I'll leave links right here, but I've always been impressed with like the texture, the cap. I've never really had any issues, so I feel like I don't know why we don't get Mayde Beauty wigs. This wig is cute. I feel comfortable enough to go out in this wig and not have any issues with tangling, shedding. This wig, I feel like, is definitely going to hold up. It's not too silky. It does have a little bit of light yaki to it, and it's just a really good texture. As far as the length goes, this is where she's coming, and then in the back, that's what she's looking like in the back. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. I don't know. I put some orange lipstick on. You know, y'all been telling me orange is my color. I thought red was my color, but I'm starting to like orange. If you do like my nails, I keep forgetting. I'm getting asked a lot about my nails. Girl, the link is in the bio. I keep telling y'all, half of the stuff that you see is probably in the bio. I bought these nails from Amazon. They were $8. They're press-on nails. That's all I wear, and they're holding up really good. So check below. The only thing, if I have to give a con, is don't wear long eyelashes, because y'all gonna be fighting a little bit. But if you remember to kind of put her back a little bit, she's fine. But I love the curls on here. I love the layers. I think this is a classic barrel curl wig. I think she's very pretty. I mean, I don't have any issues with this wig. I didn't pluck anything in the front here. I feel like you can if you need to, but like I said, I had an attitude today. I didn't really feel like doing much. This wig's gonna hold up. I don't even think I'm gonna sell this wig. Y'all definitely check the description box. I do sell my wigs on my channel. I sell the wigs after I review them. I think the knots are nice and small. They're not too big. There's not much to say about this wig. I didn't have to put any heat. I thought I would have to, but the wig flows so nicely on its own. I didn't even put heat here. I didn't put heat here. You can if you want to flatten it out some more, but I feel like it's good body. It's a good classic wig. I don't know what I was thinking with Miss Amari, but I think this is a signature wig that everybody needs in their collection, hands down. This wig is cute. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all something else. I have been using these elastic bands also. I got these from Amazon. They're like less than $10. You get like 6 of them. It definitely makes a difference because the Velcro just snaps, but overall, I really like this wig. I think she's gonna hold up, and I definitely think she's worth the money, and I'm happy because some of these wigs you wear for 2 seconds, and it's like, really, what was the point of me spending my $35? You felt like you got an overdraft fee or something. This is cute. This is gonna last you for a while if you take care of this wig. Get this wig, y'all. Get this wig. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.